right, it is day 31. Meal number 1, 6:44. Take some pills. This is actually 32 pills. I'm trying to see something if I do less pills in the morning when I'm not to seem like when I first wake up I'm not as hungry. So I'm deciding maybe I'll do a little less pills, and then if I get more hungry in the day, maybe I'll do like 40 or 45 or even 50 pills. So depending. It's funny because last night I did 4.5 miles, which is 2 miles more than what I normally do. I usually just do 2.5, which is a little over a 30-minute walk, 40-minute walk. I had a lot of energy last night, so I decided just to keep going. When I came back, I took my pills, but then I was really hungry. So there's that direct relationship to overworking out and then being really hungry. Now, I didn't end up eating anything, but it was tough. So I think this is part of why I'm like, if you're in a weight loss program like this, I think, it's just sticking to doing walks in the morning, walks in the evening, and not doing running, doing cardio, doing bike, doing, intense lifting, because it's just going to make you really hungry. And then if you're really hungry, you're going to end up cheating, and then it really offsets, what was it, an extra 2 miles? Maybe it was like 250 calories. I could easily, had that just in one little something, So I think sticking to just the 30-minute walk, morning, evenings, and not overdoing it with like intense cardio. I mean, obviously, as I've been getting in better shape, I've been doing 2.5, 3.5, and I've been pretty good about not getting too hungry, but I think going to 4.5 seemed to definitely get me in the hungry zone. And the whole goal to this whole program is to not be hungry. If you can stay in a constant state of not being hungry, you just slowly lose 5 pounds a week. But tasting certain foods and falling off the wagon, overworking out and getting really hungry, ferociously hungry, boom, you're gonna end up eating. Not sticking to the regimen and going past 2.5 hour window, your ghrelin gets released, the hormones kick in, you just I want to eat everything. So I'm starting to dial it in. I think I'm really figuring this thing out. The other thing I tried last night, I was like, maybe I'll leave out the oils, the fat, avocado oil and virgin olive oil. Thinking, maybe I don't need the fats at night. And that could also play a role because this combination of amount of fat to carbs to the amount of vegetables that are in there plus the complex carbs is kind of like set to make it so that it appeases that appetite. And me experimenting last night was like, let's leave out the fats and see what happens. And, either between the walking and that, it was like a double doozy. I was hungry. So, plus I'm not drinking now, so it's like, if you have a beer or a glass of wine, that also kind of, eases the hunger a little bit at night. Water. Getting this water out of the fridge is so cold. It's actually hard to take pills when it's very bubbly and very cold. Room temperature water. A lot easier. Until my next meal. Bye, guys.